Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through an elegant collection of pure chettinad cotton sarees, in which the first set you are seeing is 80s count pure chettinad cotton sarees. Both dark and pastel shades are available in this collection. Beautiful zari and thread woven fancy borders in this collection enhancing the elegance of the sarees. The saree length is 6.2 meters with running blouse, and this beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 889 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For making your order, DM to the given WhatsApp number. And moving to the next collection is again an 80s count pure chettinad cotton sarees, in which beautiful and tiny puttas are there running all over the body along with beautiful fancy borders. The saree length is 6.2 meters along with running blouse, and this beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 940 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And moving to the next set is again 80s count pure chettinad cotton sarees. Multi-layer fancy borders enhancing the elegance of these collections. The saree length is 5.5 meter without blouse, and this beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 759 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And if you guys wanted an extra printed blouse, you need to pay 90 rupees. For making your order, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. Please avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries through the given WhatsApp number. And also, please note our payment mode is through online only. And even you can join our WhatsApp groups. The links be there in the description. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. Thank you for watching.